In this video, we are going to talk about Metaverse stocks that will create millionaires in 2022. So before starting, please like this video and subscribe to this channel for our future updates. As firms and investors seek to establish a claim in this digital gold rush, the Metaverse has generated quite a stir. However, this intellectual reality is still mostly the ether, as it has not yet been grounded in reality. In its most basic form, the Metaverse mixes a variety of upcoming technologies, such as augmented reality and virtual reality, with parts of commonplace technology, such as social media and video, to create an immersive digital world where users can work, play, shop, and socialize. The Metaverse, which provides a network of always-on virtual environments where people can communicate, is being dubbed the next iteration of the internet by bulls. Naturally, investors are seeking a method to profit from what many believe will be the next big thing in a rapidly changing market. Here are the Metaverse stocks that will create millionaires in 2022. So let's start. Number 5. Nvidia. No discussion of the Metaverse would be complete without mentioning processing power, which is where Nvidia comes in. For creating lifelike images in video games, its graphics processing units are unchallenged industry leaders. The simple GPU has a superpower that will make it a digital foundation technology. Parallel processing enables GPU to do multiple difficult mathematical calculations concurrently and quickly. In the age of AI, Nvidia GPU are the workhorses in every major cloud computing operation and an increasing number of data centers. The Metaverse's growth will require equal speed and precision, putting Nvidia's cutting-edge transistors to good use. Even if the Metaverse takes years to manifest, Nvidia is exploding. During the first 9 months of this year, Nvidia's sales increased by 65%, while its earnings per share increased by 132%. Nvidia made around $16.7 billion in revenue last year, but management expects the total addressable market to surpass $250 billion by 2023. Number 4. Unity Software. Unity Software is a well-known name in the game and developer worlds. Create, run, and monetize interactive 2D and 3D content for mobile phones, tablets, PCs, consoles, and AR and VR devices with this company's software solutions. These technologies will create the Metaverse's real-time graphics. Unity has acquired assets from visual effects company Weta Digital, founded by filmmaker Peter Jackson. Weta Digital worked on landmark projects like Avatar, The Avengers, Game of Thrones, Planet of the Apes, Suicide Squad, and Black Widow. Unity hastens the arrival of the Metaverse by incorporating Weta's tools. But, as its third quarter results show, Unity Software is independent on the Metaverse. Revenues of $286 million were up 43% year-on-year. At the same time, Unity reported a $0.41 loss per share, more than halving its loss. Beyond beating projections, the corporation boosted its full-year outlook. Unity now expects sales of around $1.08 billion, up roughly 40% over its previous forecast. Annual metrics finish the picture. In the fourth quarter of 2017, Unity-powered games accounted for 71% of the top 1,000 mobile games. Unity had 2.7 billion monthly active users at the end of 2020, up 63%. Similarly, Unity-built apps were downloaded 5 billion times per month, up 41%. Number 3. Matterport. Matterport is another unnamed startup that will be vital in this new internet era. The company builds dimensionally accurate and photorealistic virtual copies of real-world locations using 3D cameras. This process helps clients better manage their spaces. But that's only the start. Matterport recently partnered with Amazon Web Services and Meta Platforms' Facebook AI research. Also, Matterport for mobile puts 3D capture tools in the hands of anyone with a Google Android or Apple iPhone. Because of its specialized offerings, Matterport now serves a niche industry that has the potential to explode. The company made $84 million in revenue in the first 9 months of this year, up 35%. Subscription and license sales increased 54% to nearly $49 million. Notably, Matterport has only been publicly traded since July, thus it is still in its infancy. In other words, it continues to lose cash as operating expenses surpass sales. As the corporation utilizes its digital software ambitions, this should fade. Number 2. Meta Platforms. Meta Platforms, formerly known as Facebook, changed its name in October 2021 to signal a desire to concentrate on the creation of the metaverse rather than on social media. It is indeed a major area of investment for the company, according to its CEO, Mark Zuckerberg. When this opportunity became available in 2021, Meta Platforms invested billions of dollars into it. Although the company does not expect these efforts to result in profits anytime soon, this long-term strategy could pay off in the long run and in a big way. First and foremost, Meta Platforms is already a market leader in virtual reality, thanks in large part to the success of its Oculus Rift headset. During the third quarter of 2021, non-advertising revenue for the company reached $734 million, an increase of 195% from the same period last year. Meta Platforms attributed its success to strong sales of its Oculus Quest 2 virtual reality headset. Number 1. Snap. Snapchat's parent firm, hasn't publicly stated any metaverse intentions. This company, however, should not be overlooked by investors interested in this possibility. Snap has been dabbling in augmented reality for a while and is undoubtedly one of the frontrunners in the field. For example, the company's Lenses feature has augmented reality capabilities, allowing users to change the appearance of real-world things. Snap has also created Spectacles, which are AR headsets. The corporation sees augmented reality as a huge possibility. Augmented reality is one of our most intriguing long-term potentials, CEO Evan Spiegel said on Snap's third-quarter earnings call, since it is both very early in its technology development and already used by hundreds of millions of people. Snap, like Meta Platforms, will rely on its existing user base to help it achieve its AR objectives. In the third quarter, the company had 306 million daily active users, up 23% year-over-year. In addition, overall revenue for the quarter was $1.1 billion, up 57% from the previous quarter. Snap's revenue for the full fiscal year 2018 was $1.2 billion, demonstrating how much the company's top line has risen in recent years. According to management, more than 200 million of the company's DAU already use Snapchat lenses on a daily basis. When people have had a taste of the technology, it will be easy to convince them to join. What do you think of our video? Let me know in the comments section below. If you enjoy this video and want to hear from me again, be sure to hit that subscribe button before you go. Thanks for watching.